Today we're going to look at a 2020 21 SPX by Sea Ray. This SPX 210 is in the dune color, red exterior. Walkthrough is over on the side. Makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. It has a single Simrad digital dash. 4 gauges in one. On the right side, you've got your tack on the left. Fusion stereo system. Twin speakers in the front. Very nice sitting area, comfortable seating. Twin bolstered captain's chairs. Removable seagrass flooring. It has a bimini top. If you'd like to see this Sea Ray SPX 210, come by and see us, MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168.